This semester started quietly. I sat in class, listened carefully, and wrote many notes, but I rarely spoke. Hi, my name is Hasti Dwi Haifa, a third semester English Education Department. This video is not about perfect learning, but about learning in silence. I enjoy reading and completing written assignments. I feel safe when I work alone, but speaking is different when the class becomes quiet and the lecturer asks a question. My mind is active, but my voice disappears. I realize that I don't need big strategies. Small habits help me more. I started writing 5 new words every day. Not many, but consistent. I also practice speaking alone in my room. No audience, no pressure, just me and my voice. Slowly, my confidence grew. However, some habits did not work. I often delay my task until the last minute. At night, I studied with panic, not focus. The result was stress, not improvement. That was a turning point for me. The biggest challenge was not English, it was my mindset. I believed that making mistakes mean failure. So I chose silence. Like many Indonesian students, I was trying to listen, not to speak. But learning needs action. Even small action matter. One day, I spoke in class. Not perfectly, not fluently, but I spoke. That moment changed how I see myself as a learner. Next semester, I want to speak more, not because I'm confident, but because I'm learning. I will practice speaking every day, and I will allow myself to make mistakes. I don't want to be a silent learner anymore. This is my journey from silence to progress. And this is only the beginning.